Hi, my name is Wyatt Groth and welcome back to the Hammersmith DIY channel. In today's product review, we're going to be talking to you about this range of turned fence post capitals. Let's roll the intro. Now, if you like what you see on this channel, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you keep up to date with all the videos we have. Now, in today's range of turned post capitals, I want to go through the different types of turned capitals we have and the different size posts they are suited for. Now, firstly, the range of post capitals you see here, they're designed for outside application. That is their main purpose. There's no reason why they couldn't be used inside, but really the main purpose is for outside the home on a fence post, obviously. And obviously they manufacture it out of radiated pine, which is a plantation grown Australian and New Zealand timber, and they're treated with a H3 preservative, which allows them to be used for outside the home so they won't rot or decay. But like any product, one of the main questions we quite often get from customers who speak to us on the phone is, can I just leave the product outside unpainted? Our recommendation is no. These products are best to be painted, and the reason is, if you do not paint timber, what ends up happening is the timber wants to crack, and then slowly water gets in, and then slowly you have problems with the timber rotting. The idea of painting a product is you seal that timber over. You stop water getting in. So do 2 or 3 coats of paint, and then once every few years or whenever you feel it necessary, depending on your climate, you want to give the product a bit of a sand back and then a new fresh coat of paint. That way these products will stay looking great for a long time. So let's go through the different sizes and types we have here, because there's quite a few different styles we sell. We've been manufacturing turned fence post capitals at our factory in Adelaide, South Australia for, well, 25, 30 years, a long time. And these have been popular for a long period of time, and slowly over time the different styles have come in and pop trends change, but these products continue to sell well for us. We have, in essence, 3 different sizes. We have what we call our 90mm post caps, designed to go on top of 90mm posts. We then have our 65mm post caps, and when I talk about 65mm or 90mm, what I'm talking about is the diameter of the capital. These are designed to obviously go on posts that would be 68, 70mm in size. And then finally, we have our 110mm post caps, the bigger ones. And once again, these are designed to go on posts that might be 112 or 115mm. Now, if your posts are not exactly that size, it doesn't really matter. I mean, these original designs here were designed, the 90mm ones, well actually they're 93mm I should say. They were designed originally to go on top of 100mm posts. But over time, as timber sizes change a little bit, we find more and more now people end up putting them on smaller posts, 90mm. You can see here, I've got a sample of one of the posts. This particular post is 90 by 90, and you can see here when you put the post capital on. The idea is that it's meant to slightly sit over. It's quite a good size. Once again, same with the other design here. It's quite a good size for the post. And obviously we do the bigger cap, so this post here is 112. You put the big 112 capital on there, and you can see it proportionally looks good. You obviously, if you've got a post this big and you try and put a 90mm one on there, I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but it just looks a bit like, it just looks out of place. So it's important to get the right size for your post. That's the first question. Once you work out the size of your post, then you can decide which capital you want to go with. Now, obviously, if your post is a bigger 112, you don't have much choice. You've basically just got to go with the ball design. But most posts tend to be around that 90 to 100mm mark, and that's where you've got a little bit of option. We have a number of different styles. We have this one here, which we call our acorn design. Then the traditional ball. Then we have what we call our Windsor. Then a couple of other designs which were actually made for the Perth market originally, but have worked out as a good little seller for us as something a bit different. This one's called the Saxon, a bit different to the acorn. You can see here with the acorn and the Saxon, are similar looking, but they give a bit of a point of difference. And then what we have here is the Oxford design, which is very similar to our Windsor, but just a slightly different style. You can see the two next to each other. And then finally, a little bit different again is our, we call this our square Windsor. And this is, as you can see, it's not turned, it's more shaped. But when it goes on top of this 90mm post, it's a different look altogether than what the other turned designs have. But this still forms part of what we call our turned range. Then if you've got a smaller post, well, you really only have the two options here. Once again, if I put a 90mm post up here and with one of these small ones on, it looks a bit ridiculous. You need a smaller post to suit these capitals. So these capitals, I said, are 65mm diameter, and we've got the Windsor design, and then obviously the ball design there. If you click on the banner in the top right of the video, you'll be able to see another video which we did, which showed how to fix these fence post capitals. And in that video, I'm not going to go into it a great deal here, but we also sell this product, which is a double-ended dowel screw. And once again, when you look at that other video we manufactured, we show you how to fix it. But in simple terms, you drew a hole in the end of the post, you threaded it in, and then the capitals already come, as you can see here, with a hole on the bottom. That goes in there, and it gets screwed down on the post. It just allows for the capital to be securely placed on the top of the post and no issues with it being removed. Once again, watch that video, it gives a bit more detail. Now, all the products you see here can be found on our website, hammersmith.com.au, and if you look at the links in the description below, you'll be able to click on the various products to take you straight to the section of the website, or just go on our website, look for fence post capitals, and you'll be able to see these as well as a range of other capitals that we sell. If you like this video, please hit the like button below and feel free to drop a comment, as I'll reply to any comments we have on the site. If you want to keep up to date with more great content from the Hammersmith DIY channel, please hit the subscribe button below, and also remember to turn on the bell notification so that you can be told when any new video is loaded. This is Wyatt Groth, signing off.